Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to switch chart type in IQ option. First of all, open the IQ option application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click open. Go ahead and get to this left-hand corner and click on this chart type button. Underneath chart type, select a different chart type you want to change to. You can choose between lines, candles, bars, and Heikinashi. Choose any one chart type you'd like to change to, and from there, you can easily switch the chart type you want. It'll update immediately and you'll be able to see the chart type changed immediately in the chart page. Candlestick charts are the best for spotting patterns like doji or engulfing. Line charts are simpler but less detailed for trading decisions. So that's how you switch between charts or chart type in IQ option. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.